Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico with the Creativity Cave and welcome back to Simple to Stunning Sundays. I have been kind of on a hiatus for a little while, but I'm excited to tell you that I'm back now. You can watch for me every Sunday at 4 p.m. Central Time. I will be sharing a Simple to Stunning Sunday project or 3 projects with you. And I'm really excited about these projects. This week, I'm working with the Poinsettia Petals. I had been playing with this set to create the projects for my Creativity to Go kit featuring this bundle this month. And so I had some pieces laying around, so I started playing with them to create our project for today. Now, if you're interested in that class, I will put a link in the description of this video. You can check it out. And if you like the projects today or would like to shop my online store, I would be so grateful for your business. I have links to all the projects or products that I'm using in the description, as well as to my blog posts, so you can see the photos of all the cards that I'm going to share with you today. So to start, this bundle is just gorgeous. It's a whole suite of products that are beautiful, but I'm going to use a couple and I'm going to go with a little bit outside the traditional colors for you today, and I hope you're going to like that. So my first card is this one, and I'll show you how easy it is to create. It's kind of perfect for a mass quantity of cards. If you need to make a whole bunch of cards for your Christmas list, this would be a great card for that purpose. And then if you have some special people on your list, I'll show you some ways to step this up into a truly amazing card. So I've die cut 2 of the poinsettia flowers, I guess. And the really cool part about the dies are that they come in 2 pieces. Now there's 3 sizes, so these are the 2 largest. And there's 2 pieces to this. There's the piece that embosses and then the piece that cuts. So you're just going to run them together, and then you'll get that beautiful texture. And here we go. That's how they look lined up. And then when you die cut them together, you can see you get that embossed portion on each die cut. So I will take, actually I'll glue dot these together because that's nice and easy. And then I'll just kind of offset them from one another, and I'll curl the petals just a little bit with my fingers here. And then I'll adhere this to my card. Now I have cut a 3 3/4 by 5-inch piece of Whisper White cardstock, and I'm going to stamp my sentiment. That's part of the stamp set at the bottom in some black ink. And I really like how beautiful this looks on our card in these kind of fancy colors, black and white. Now I'm going to adhere this with a little bit of my seal to the card like so. And then I will embellish this with one of the really beautiful embellishments. They're beaded pearls. This is part of the Poinsettia suite, and I'll just adhere this with a glue dot to the center here. So that looks very nice. Now I'm going to adhere this to the front of my card. So I will just put some adhesive on like so. And then, of course, we're going to dress up the inside of our card as well. So since it's a black card, we want the inside to also be nice. I'm going to bring in a little scrap paper here for this part because I'm going to stamp off the edge. Now, one of the things I love is that these die cuts not only cut out a solid colored of cardstock with this using the texture, or you can stamp one of the images and cut those out. There's also this other poinsettia, a complete poinsettia, which I'm going to stamp here in the corner. But I love that the dies work both with the images as well as by themselves in this set. Okay, so I've got that at the bottom. And then this is a really nice sentiment for the inside of your card too. It says, "May magic and wonder bloom this holiday." Oh, so pretty. So I'll take this and adhere it to the inside of my card, and then that makes for a beautiful holiday card. Now, of course, it's Simple to Stunning Sunday, so we have to step it up. Okay, so that's my first simple version. Let's take this up a notch. Now for this version, I'll start once again with a black card base. So this is just a half a sheet of basic black cardstock, pardon me. And I'm going to go ahead and start by adding a few pieces. Now, I'm going to have the same inside to my card, so I won't stamp this part. It will be the exact same as my first card for the inside. But for the outside, I've taken a 4 by 5¼ inch piece of basic black cardstock, and I've embossed it with my Scripty 3D embossing folder. So we'll attach that to the front. I've also taken that white layer and die cut it with my stitched rectangles. There we go. And there is a rectangle that is just about that exact size, the 3 3/4 by 5. So I'm going to attach this to my layer popped up because it's so pretty. So we'll just add that. I also die cut 3 of the poinsettia petals, and rather than do them all in white, I meant to stamp my sentiment on here first. Oh well, it's okay. We should be able to get it on there without too much trouble. We'll stick with the Merry Christmas because it's just simple and classic. There we go. Phew, good. All right. Now, like I said, I did one of these in black and then the other 2 in white. And I kind of loved adding that little extra layer. So just like before, I'll take and adhere this. Actually, I'm going to put these together with glue dots first. And we'll offset just like we did with the last simple version of this card. And we got to curl those petals because they're just so pretty like that. And then I'll offset this as well. And we'll just go around the edges quickly, curling those petals. It just adds a nice touch. Okay, so we've got a little adhesive. I'm going to put just a little bit more down to hold this into place. And we're, of course, going to embellish. And then remember the inside of our card will be the same. So we've really kind of added a nice touch to this card. But wait, there's more. So we have to go up. We have to go like stunning, right? So let me show you the stunning version of this card because it's pretty amazing. So again, we'll start with our half a sheet of basic black cardstock. We're going to add to this a layer of black glimmer paper. Ooh, it's so pretty and sparkly. Now, I actually changed the dimensions, but my first piece of that paper, I die cut some pieces out of it, and then we're going to layer this on top so it would be covered. And I recommend doing that as well, but I cut this piece the wrong size, so I had to cut it once again. So now this piece is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, which means there's just a skinny little border left of the cardstock showing. So it's really a beautiful look. I continued with that piece of 4 by 5 1/4 that I embossed with the Scripty 3D embossing folder. So we'll add that. And since we're covering up so much of this, obviously it makes sense to die cut the pieces that you need out of this piece. But since I had already done that, I didn't with my piece, but I could have. So I die cut the black leaf, which is this middle size, I die cut out of here, along with 2 branches with that glitter paper. And then we're going to continue with our 2 white petals. So I'm going to start with my largest petal, and then we'll glue dot that middle petal to this. And oh, the shimmer is amazing. And then I'm going to take and put a couple of glue dots on this piece just to make sure we get it adhered nicely. And then once again, just like before, we're curling those petals. And this is just so pretty with this glitter paper. It just makes it really, I think, fancy. Okay. And then once again, I have my die cut panel. We'll stamp our sentiment as we did before. And then we're going to embellish this one just a little bit differently. I'm going to take and adhere those branch pieces behind like so. And I kind of like to set them where I'd like them, and then we'll put some adhesive down. I really encourage you to plan where things are going to go before you adhere them. That way you'll get everything in its place. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And I'm actually going to lift this up and put it just a little closer in, like so. Okay, now I'll add this again. Put a little bit more adhesive down. We want to make sure this is adhered nicely. Oh, and look at how beautiful that looks. And of course, we need another beaded pearl to embellish the center of our card. Oh, such a stunning project. Now I'm going to adhere this popped up once again to my card, and then you truly have a stunning card. I'll bring all three back in so you can see the progression and know that each of these is just gorgeous in their own right. Of course, I would love to hear in the comments of this video which one you prefer. I know you wouldn't probably want to make a ton of these because they are pretty fancy. But isn't that gorgeous? Now when you mail this, because of this beaded center, it probably is a little too thick, so it's going to require that extra 20-ish cents from the post office. The other thing I recommend is putting a quarter sheet of cardstock over the top of this to protect this in the envelope. That way it will mail a little bit better for you. Or of course you can just include it with a gift for somebody. And then once again, the center of this is going to be the same as my original, which looks like that. So this will be in the center of each of them. Now, the one thing I might add is that I would color this in with some clear Wink of Stella to add a little bit of shimmer to kind of go with the shimmer we've got in this card. But here is our simple card. Here is our stepped up card. And then our stunning card. So I hope you've loved these projects today. Please let me know which one is your favorite. If you would like to join me for my online class, or if you would like to purchase any of these items to create these yourself, I would be so grateful for your business. Please shop my online store. You'll become a VIP, and I have some great perks for my VIPs. All of that can be found on my blog. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll see you next week. Bye, guys.